So if you have a two-way radio that has built-in Bluetooth, as in this case with the Oxbow Renegade X, then it's quite easy for you to integrate those two-way comms into your Cardo's existing capabilities and essentially end up with the best of both worlds. Let's have a look at how to set that up. There's a lot of scenarios where something like this can come in pretty handy, whether that's UTV or snowmobile or any other off-road or on-road situation where you just want to integrate two-way radio into what you're doing. And of course, by doing this, you still have the Cardo's own intercom abilities, whether that's Bluetooth intercom in our Spirit and Freecom X lines, or DMC mesh intercom in our PackTalk line. You're just adding to that the ability to receive two-way radio through the Cardo speakers and to transmit out through the Cardo microphone. Now, before setting this up, you want to know this. The radio pairs to the Cardo using mobile phone pairing, and all Cardo models can pair with up to two phones. You have phone pairing, which is the primary phone pairing, and you have second phone pairing, which has a lower priority. You want to pair the radio using second phone pairing mode so that you can still pair your actual phone as the primary phone pairing for your calls, music, the Cardo Connect app, all that stuff. On the PackTalk, you get into second phone pairing by pressing and holding the mobile button.
Phone pairing.
And then rolling the wheel forward.
Second phone pairing.
Perfect, we're in the right mode. And then on this particular two-way, the Renegade X, we just press and hold the volume down button. You can see there that it's searching, and when the LED goes purple, we know that these two are paired up successfully.
Second phone connected.
Done. And I can see that little Bluetooth symbol up there showing that it's connected. Next, just open up the Cardo Connect app and go to Settings. Go to Audio Settings. At the very bottom, we see Advanced Audio Settings. And right here, two-way radio integration, we want to enable that. Now the two-way radio can be used and heard at any time, even though it's paired as a lower priority. All right, and we're good to go. Once I activate the push-to-talk from the radio, or in this case, it's remote, we're in business. Yo, yo, hello. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us for more, and we'll see you next time.